go. This is Donovan here at BRB Bagger Buck, and I got a couple things to show you. If you are a Lexus LC owner, here's something that you need to know. All right, it's in the manual, but if you are trying to do a burnout, or if you are trying to figure out how to turn your traction control off completely, here's a fast little way to be able to show you how this works. And you're going to start your car. Once it's started, you want to make sure that it's in the park position. Once it's in the park position, you're going to bring your finger up here to where the actual traction control is at. And as you're going to push and hold that button in, you're going to notice on the speedometer there, the two lights show up, all right? And basically that has disengaged my traction control 100%. So no longer is it in control. Now, if you turn off your car, it's going to actually reset your traction control. So if you turn off your car, it will reset it back to its normal setting. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is start the car, make sure it's in park, go up here to traction control on the end, and you're just gonna push and hold that in for about 5 to 8 seconds or so until you see both the lights come on. That disengages your traction control. Now you're ready to go race. Have fun, y'all.